Need a new page in Word? I'll show the menu path and shortcut under 10 seconds. By the end, you'll know how to start a fresh page with either the ribbon or your keyboard. First, place your cursor where the next page should begin. Click the Insert tab on the ribbon. This is where Word keeps insertion tools, including page-related commands. Now follow Insert, then Page Break to split the document at the cursor. Then choose the Page Break command. Select Page Break, and Word pushes everything after your cursor onto the next page immediately. The fastest shortcut is Ctrl plus Enter. It inserts a page break instantly. Pro tip: turn on formatting marks with Ctrl-Shift-8 so page breaks are easier to spot while editing. Since you're already writing in Word, Gentext helps with citations and bibliography work that often comes right after formatting. If you're writing a paper, Gentext handles citations and bibliography inside Word.